Wow. That was huge. I don't know. It was Qatar though. Hopefully I'll catch some proper later on. I'd like to see that. There's no use to seeing them go that way. That's a cool shot print. Are you, what are you getting in souvenirs?
Yeah, we'll see what.
Pardon me. I mean, that's so great, isn't it? You want to buy in? I like the. What do you mean, how do you get in? There's a door over there. I love all these things. Oh, oh, oh. Is that all? Oh, that's really good. The prices are really good. The prices are quite good. From what I'm seeing anyway. That we should be.
I was looking at things, the past one, the big thing we've got there.
Wait, look. Alright, you mean the table mat?
No, well, it's probably table mat, but I think it's put on my wall.
Well, alright, okay. Well, there's that thing next in there or something. Hello? Hello? No?
Hello?
I was going to show the stuff down there with table mats.
No,
No? Oh, you like the plate? They're nice.
not real.
What? Real what?
I just don't like.
Well, you don't like that's fine, but I don't know about the real bit. I don't know your real wit. Not by the artist, you know.
It's small. I'll probably get another plate.
That's fine. We can go in if you. We can always come back.
It's a bit thingy.
They always are. Tightening. They're bigger than it looks. Be fine. One shot. That's probably going to be good. Alright.